Today we're assembling the PK1 ProStreamer AM for the ATEM Mini, Pro ISO and SDI. Your kit comprises of two sides, two aluminium bars, two wire managers, two cold shoes, nuts and bolts, and of course you'll need your ATEM Mini. To begin, we'll grab one side, one aluminium bar, place it into the hole that the aluminium bar is designed to go into. Grab one of the M5 by 25 bolts, place that into position. We recommend that you do not over tighten this bolt. If you over tighten the bolt, you have every likelihood of cracking the plastic. Second bar, same process, drop it into the hole. Second M5 by 25 bolt. Now both bars are in, we move the assembly around like this. It's very important for the cold shoe mounts that we drop in the M5 sliding nuts at this stage. They can only go in one way, so let's just drop those in. Two. Grab our ATEM, position it into the side that's already in place. Grab the other side and we'll position it over the top of the entire assembly. Drop in the two M5 by 25s. Again, don't over tighten, to the point just where there's a bit of tension. Feel the tension, then a little bit more. We can place the rubber feet at this point. This will give us a little bit more control. Place the rubber feet toward the back of the unit. If for whatever reason, when you place the ATEM stand down and there's a little bit of rocking, what you can do is loosen the bolt on the opposite corners. It will then settle and then you can retighten. The cold shoes are held down with M4 bolts into the M4 slide-in nuts. So we grab a cold shoe, we place an M4 by 8 through the hole. We grab our 2.5mm hex key, position it where you wish. The cable managers require the M4 by 8 and the M4 drop-in nut to be attached prior to attaching to the top bar. We can place our Allen key into the nut. We can then place the nut into the slot. We can then tighten up the drop-in nut. And there we have it, the PK1 ProStreamer AM for the ATEM Mini family.